What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today is December 3rd, and we've got a green day here, which is good, but um, lately I've been pretty frustrated at myself, and it's because I've just been over trading way too much. And it's partly due to the margin account that I've got set up now, which gives me access to really trading as much as I want, really without a limit. And so I think I'm still like adjusting to that and getting used to it, um, which is difficult. But I've, slowly taken notes here and trying to learn my lessons. I want to show you what today's balance was looking like. Here is the chart. This is my intraday running balance. So this is kind of my P&L for today. And I'm disappointed once again because I took so many trades. And I don't seem to be learning my lesson here. I keep telling myself that I'm taking too much and I need to make better trades and I guess bigger ones. It's difficult now because I'm in this risk management phase where I'm just basically scalping so many moves, it works, but you don't get any big winners. You can accumulate small winners, which I've been doing, which has been, leaving me green on most days, but it's just been um, treading water so much. So, anyways, my count for today, I made 211 trades, which is record breaking for me. Never done that before. And I just don't want to be making that many trades. I'd like to keep it like to maybe 50. I still think that's a bit much too, but once again, I think it's from trying to learn how to trade with this margin account, and it's like someone took the governor off of an engine that I'm driving, car that I'm driving, and I'm just trying to see, what the limits are, and I've just been pushing them too much. So yeah, 211 trades today, which is way too much. Um, and this chart doesn't reflect every single trade, but it reflects most of them. And especially with the start, the high balance, and then the finishing of the day. So what's similar is I've been starting off the days by digging a hole. It seems like the last 3 days, I think I've dug myself into a hole, like right off the bat, and then I slowly build myself out of it and continue on and hit a great streak, and then I'll hit this topping of this streak and then just make some really bad trades that just take me downhill. And as you can see in this chart here, it's exactly what happened. So today, dug a hole down max, it was like 198, I think, something like that, and slowly worked my way out, got back to neutral, and then had this incredible run up. Got up to 389, then dipped down a little bit, started just trading sideways, neutral trades. And then I had one great trade that put me up. It was up $526 on the day, which was awesome. I've got to take note of that, and I guess when I'm there, I'm feeling such a good strength right there that I feel like I should continue because I could turn that into maybe $1,000 day. So, but I think I need to learn my lessons here and maybe learn to pull back and just stop for the day, just turn it off, walk away. Because what happens is I still see that, we've got 3 hours left on the day and I just want to continue trading because I think I might be able to, but I think I need to stop that and just put, flag in it for the day and say, hey, I'm done. I've made my profit. Let's get out of here. And today, look at this. This is horrible. After my peak, ran right back into the ground and went negative $110. And that was the low on that. I was just pissed again and slowly inched my way out of it, which was good. But look where we ended the day. I mean, up $77, which is nothing for a green day when before you were up, 500 at your high. So just gotta implement some discipline, I think, is what I need to do. And maybe write out written rules and try to stick to them, see if that helps. I've done that in the past, and it's helped from time to time. But that was the roller coaster today. So I'm glad I'm green on the day, but still, if you let's look at the week here. Started Monday horrible, down 895. Tuesday up 796. Wednesday up 453, and today up 77. So I've been trending down, which isn't good. So hopefully tomorrow we can come at it, fresh new game plan, and just try to make those big leaps forward and walk away. Let's take a look at what I traded today on the chart, or the charts here. LIZI was a difficult one, and I think where I dug my holes was trying to trade it right out of the gates. I think I need to back off at the beginning and not make trades right away towards the beginning of the market, because what I find is if I just hang tight and sit back and just watch for a while, you can usually see how everything moves throughout the day. Whatever tickers are moving, they'll out of the gates they will be volatile, of course, and then at somewhere they'll find out, hey, I'm going to trend down, or it's going up, and I feel like I need to maybe watch that a bit more before I get my feet wet and start trading. So, because I did dig myself a hole the last like 3 days right off the bat. But anyways, this was a crazy one because it was just, man, it was up and then back down. There was a huge, crash right here, or fail. And so that was a tricky one. I traded a lot of LIZI. And what else? EVK was another one that I traded quite a bit of. And this had an awesome run. Unfortunately, I only got a tiny piece of this entire big move. And, look, towards the day, I was just watching this. It looked like I was just trending down for most of the day. And then this spot hits, and these are the things you got to be ready for right here. If you see that this is moving and you can get in, I mean, of course it's hindsight, but this was such a large gain that would have been a massive winner. So I did get little bits and pieces of it. I was just scared as I hopped into it that I was gonna reverse and flip the other way. And look at this, it trended up for such a long time, and I was anticipating the big pullback somewhere early in here, but it just had these little green sticks just going all the way up, and it was crazy to see it hold that. And of course, what goes up must come down, and it just, hope you didn't get caught up in this area here, because that was a huge flush. So, I had quite a bit of trades in this today, though. So, those are the two ones I traded today. And that's what I got for Thursday here. So, hope you guys are green. Also, I'd like to know from you guys, I've been recording these videos, trying to keep you updated on the journey here. Beginner trader. I've actually been trading a few years now, but, constantly just trying to hone my skill, but I'd say I'm still, intermediate beginner, and I wanted you guys to follow along with me, all you other traders out there that are maybe beginners or intermediate as well, to kind of compare what you're getting into as far as comparing some stats here. I hope it's really helpful. I wanted to know, though, on these recordings I'm giving you guys, let me know if the audio is okay on this, because I've turned up my gain pretty much as high as it goes, and I'm hoping the sound comes through enough. I'd like you guys to comment below if the volume is just like, it seems like it's too low and you're having to turn your volume all the way up to hear me. It would be really helpful. So anyways, that's all I got today. Leave it there. Hope you guys are doing well. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow on Friday.